Alright, so we got a guy in the basement in a Pikachu pajama, onesie.
I haven't looked at this.
Yeah, well,
Cell Black and Pikachu on onesie sleeping.
You don't know this guy at all, right?
No.
Okay, well, do you want to press charges if we catch him?
I want him to give me all my stuff back mainly because
What stuff back does he have?
he has my Bluetooth speaker, 2 backpacks, a hoodie. Like, he's just right there.
Okay, so you just want your property back? You don't want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go talk to him. Turn your back around this way.
I'm keeping the
We're gonna keep this one.
the Washington sweater and the black and this one. I'm keeping the Washington sweater and this one.
Well, these are his clothes. So.
No, the pedophile ones are his.
Okay, well, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
How about this?
Alright, so we got a guy in the basement in a Pikachu pajama, onesie.
I haven't looked at this.
Yeah, well,
Cell Black and Pikachu on onesie sleeping.
No, he's sleeping.
7-4, it's going to be 525 Sawyer. 525 Sawyer.
Hi! Got your dog? Is someone in your basement?
Yeah. Someone already came and he walked out. He legit just walked out of our backyard because he crawled through the crawl space and he grabbed some shit and ran. And so the other guy that was here was, he got in his car and chased him.
Okay, he's gone?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
maybe not chased, but followed.
How did he get in? Do you know this guy at all?
Probably from the backyard. No, I don't know him. He looked high as
He looked high?
Yeah, and he was downstairs dressed in our clothes.
Like a Pikachu pajamas or something?
Yeah, but he took that off when he walked away.
Took it off?
Yeah, he took it off.
Okay.
But he's holding a Forever 21 bag. So
Was your back door unlocked by any chance? Do you know how?
I'm pretty sure my husband unlocked it.
Okay, so there's a good chance he just walked in,
Just walked in.
unlocked door,
Yep.
slept. Okay. You know what? Is it okay if I take a police report? Just kind of what happened.
Sorry.
I'll get your info real quick, just so I can document it, and then we're done. Okay. What's your first name? All right. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you need us back, call us. We'll come back. Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Who chased them all?
He said he got up and walked on his own.
Got off and
Got up
He
and walked
crawled
on his
out
own.
through the crawl space, and then the other Columbus police dude was in his car, and he saw the whole thing, so he just followed.
Another Columbus police officer saw this?
Yeah, he came first, and he said he was waiting for more people to come.
Okay. So the guy, when he left, did he walk out the front door, or he said a crawl space?
Crawl space.
On the side of the house?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to go look at that real quick. But okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. Careful, don't break your hip.
someone else is out here.
Hi.
Walking down South High Street right now, heading southbound.
Okay. Is it the guy wearing the pajamas or whatever?
Yeah, he's wearing her.
Okay.
He's wearing all my clothes, and he's got my.
Are you the husband?
Yes.
Okay, so where did he come out of?
He didn't escape through our basement. He crawled through the midway through the basements and then escaped through our neighbor's house.
Okay, so he went out the neighbors?
Yeah.
All right. You don't know this guy at all, right?
No.
Okay. Well, do you want to press charges if we catch him?
I want him to give me all my stuff back mainly because
What stuff back does he have?
he has my Bluetooth speaker, 2 backpacks, a hoodie. Like, he's just right there.
Okay. So you just want your property back? You don't want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go talk to him. Which way was he walking?
He's walking right down by Taco Bell.
By Taco Bell on High Street?
Yeah.
Okay. I tell you what, we'll go over there and we'll try to get your stuff back and we'll come back, okay? Describe him to me one more time. Describe him.
He's wearing khaki pants, black shoes, a blue and orange hat.
Black
and
guy?
He's wearing 2 stolen shirts.
Black guy?
Yes, I'm him.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Ah, here we go.
Tell her what?
Yes, that guy. Oh, what's up, buddy? How are you? Sit it down. Relax. Here, I'll take it.
Okay.
You're being detained right now, okay? Listen, we got a call about you being in a house, okay? So
My house?
No, not your house.
You're going too hard, sir. I don't fucking like that
listen,
shit.
Relax,
faggot.
relax, chill out. We're not
too hard, don't grab me like
gonna
that,
do
bro.
that. Stop. I'm explaining to you why you're being detained, okay?
What are you doing?
You're being detained. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, Master Roshis and shit. You
Okay. Stand over there. Spread your legs. There we go.
That's why I want y'all fighting for me.
Say what?
Y'all would never lift me up.
Oh,
and
stop.
actually fucking took me to my fucking house.
Oh, stop. We're not taxis. So.
Yeah, you're supposed to help people out, bro.
No, we're not taxis.
Like
though.
that's last time I was in the cop car, in my sister's car waiting, and y'all motherfuckers didn't even get a chance to come lift me
I'm
up.
just gonna double lock it.
Okay. Well, we're not taxis, so we don't just pick people up and give them rides to places. Call an Uber for that, not the police. Got an ID on you or something? Got a wallet or something?
Nah, like,
No.
you're gonna lift me up.
All right, I'll get you. I'll just get it now.
Okay.
All right, sir. What's your first name?
Habib,
All right, you got a good phone number or anything like that? Contact you in case anybody needs to call you? Okay, courts or anything? All right. Have we arrested you before at all? Columbus, we have, so you have a mugshot, you got your pitch taken? Okay. All right, we'll check. All right, we'll put you in the car here. We'll just detain you for a minute. We'll figure out what we're doing with you, okay?
Take a seat for me, sir. Watch foot. Stick up. There you go. Hang out here for a half a second, okay? Appreciate it. Hey, buddy.
Just have some Narcan out there.
This stuff yours?
Yeah, that's all my stuff.
Okay. Let me get some info from you.
Okay.
Was that your wife that was at the house?
Yes, that's
Female
correct.
agent? Okay.
Yes. Yeah, I was waiting for you guys at the house, and then the public service agent said that he crawled out the basement through the other way because we were all waiting for him at our house.
Okay. What's your first name, buddy? You said that you did not want to press charges, anything like that?
No.
Okay. No.
That's like Guy's business card if you ever need him.
All right.
He's got
Oh,
video.
he's an attorney.
Yeah, he's got video if you need it.
Okay.
Oh, no? Okay. So what we'll do is we'll run them for warrants and things of that nature. This is all your property?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, if you want to grab your property and everything, buddy, I got your information.
Yeah, I don't know what he was trying to do with this stuff, man. He was stealing random things.
Yeah, he was just, I think he's a little, he may have a...
Some awesome man?
Yeah, he may, yeah, he was just... Yeah, he may have a mental ailment, something like that. So
Right, that's why I don't want to press charges. I want him to get some help, realize, so that he doesn't do this thing to someone else.
We'll try to, was that yours or his?
What? Oh, that's mine.
Okay. Okay. All right, we're good, buddy.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome,
sir.
buddy. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, what's up, buddy?
He's wearing all my clothes.
Oh, he's got your clothes on?
Yeah, he's literally wearing
All of it?
pajamas.
No, you got those?
I don't know if he saw it.
So, how about the sweatshirt? Is that yours? Yeah. Hat's yours. What else you got? This yours? What's was it?
Is there a Pikachu outfit on under the
You
bottom?
got a Pikachu one too?
Well, all those, okay,
The blue?
all those.
All those are yours?
Yeah.
This. How about this right here?
Yep.
Alright.
All of those.
Did you have a clothes? Did you leave clothes on?
Alright, that houndstooth isn't mine.
That's not yours?
No.
Okay, how about this one?
No, sir.
Okay. Pants are yours or his?
I can't even say for sure if those pants are mine or not,
Okay.
so I'm just letting keep going.
Okay. But what shirts? This shirt?
Yep,
That's yours? This shirt?
Yep, that shirt too.
This shirt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll get those, and then you said this one too?
Yeah, and there's no Pikachu thing under there? You took it off?
I don't see no Pikachu. Your wife said he took that off.
Okay, that's
She
good.
said she saw that.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, give us a second. I gotta get my partner to get the cuffs
Yes,
off.
he can keep the socks. Those aren't his socks.
Okay. How about the shoes?
Those are his shoes.
Okay. Man, that's a lot. You got a place to go? Huh? Okay. Well, this one. Right here. I can take this off, hold his hand, and get the...
Sure, we'll do one sleeve at a time.
Alright, you got it.
Yep, I got it. Yeah,
Alright.
got him.
Just take that off.
Cool.
All layered up. I'll stay warm. I get it.
There you go. Pull it over his head.
This one too.
Man, you're layered up, man.
Yeah, man. Good material. Oh, this one yours too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll get your clothes back.
I'm sorry, buddy. I mean,
Yeah, I'm trying not to rip your head up.
Unzip this one.
Okay, go ahead and unzip it. Can I help you?
I got it. You got it?
There you go.
That one's mine too, but I don't want to leave him shirtless.
Okay.
So it's okay we leave this one on him then?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have it.
Good enough. Turn your back around this way.
All right.
I'm keeping the
We're gonna keep this one. We're on you.
Washington sweater. And the black and this one. I'm keeping the Washington sweater and this one. Gray one.
Well, these are his clothes. So.
No, the pedophile ones are his.
Okay.
Well,
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
How about this? I'll keep him in the corner.
Right.
We'll just take this.
Yeah, this is.
He's not.
Yeah, I know. So
He's not getting away from me. Did it break? Oh, no.
There he goes. Got it. Got it. All right.
Let's take that off. Well, let's not be stupid. All right, there.
All right. Try this again.
Place your hands like this. Make your praying.
All right, sir. Yep, you too. I'm gonna verify his obstructing warrant. It's possible. We'll go from there, and if it's good, we'll take him. If not, we'll release him.
Where the fuck is my other sweater at?
I don't know, man. Everything you had was his, so I'm gonna work on that. This is some damn good coffee.
What you get?
Home style.
Oh,
Good old coffee.
black or?
No, it's like it's just well, I use the Tim Hortons bag I buy, and there's another brand that we get.
You do a little mix?
No, yeah, we'll go back. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. I'll be honest, it's better than Tim Hortons. Like it's like every time the last few times I've gotten Tim Hortons, it's been just terrible, like just gross. It's like they don't, they got just workers that don't give a shit.
Yeah.
So they're just making shitty coffee, and it's not fresh or yeah.
It's not the good Canadian to me.
No.
You know what? Actually, we went to I would go to Windsor and we had coffee. It's a different experience up there than it is here. It is not the same experience.
Really? Is it like it's like?
So Timmy Ho's is like their Starbucks / that's where you go to meet people. That's
Like the hangout, the spot.
Yes. So how they have the setup and everything like that, and just how refreshing it is there. It's like Panera Bread meets Starbucks Canadian style.
Oh, shit.
Imagine that. Just, and just nicer and cleaner.
That's cool.
110.
Oh, hey. 110, go ahead. All right, sir. Your warrant is good. So that means we're going to have to take you to jail.
What is it?
You got a warrant for obstructing official business.
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's good. I just checked it, man. So you got to go to jail, unfortunately. But I don't think you're going to be in there long, so it's a misdemeanor warrant.